Welcome to the lair of the Batty Boffin.
Hi there Batty fans, a little bit more about the Place Value pizzas. If you're not familiar with these, go and look at some of the earlier videos where I tell you all about them and where you can download your own images like these. We've got big ones and some small ones and you can do these yourself. What we're going to do in this video is add up more than two numbers. We're going to add up 3 numbers and see how that goes here. So the numbers we're going to add up today, I think we'll have 1,324 and then we'll have 2,816 and then 3,000 and what should we have there? 87. Not, have I got that many? Yeah, that should be enough. Just make sure I've got enough pizzas. If not, you can always just go and cook some more. By the way, if you want to do this with real pizzas, you can do. It might get a bit messy. Might cost a lot in pizzas by the time we get up to the thousands, but hey, I don't mind, you know, it's all good for learning. Alternatively, you can just draw them. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is set this up. So in this first row here, we're going to set up the number 1,324, and then in a row below it, we're going to set up the number 2,816, and then finally in the bottom row down here, we're going to set up 3,087. I'll just move all these down so they don't get mixed up with the sums. So, pause the video and set that up now. Okay, so after much shuffling with bits and bobs, you should have something that looks like this. In the top column, we've got 1,324. Next row, we've got 2,816. And down here, 3,000, no hundreds, and 87. So here's you sitting in your little pizza shop. You've got 4 pizzas ready to serve on the counter, 2 stacks of 10 on the shelves behind. Back in the warehouse, you've got 3 boxes, each containing 100, and sat out in the car park is 1 truck, which has 1,000 pizzas on it. And then you get a phone call from your friend. And this time his pizza shop has had a sudden influx of Martians who scared away all his customers, and he can't have his pizza shop there anymore, so he's got to come and move into yours. And he brings with him his 2,816 pizzas. And you're just getting everything settled when you get another phone call from another friend, and he has it's raining sharks where he is, so he has to come and move into your pizza shop as well. It's going to be quite cosy, and he brings with him his 3,087 pizzas. So all in all, it's quite cosy in your pizza shop. Let's have a bit of a sort out. First of all, let's sort out the pizzas. You've only got room for 10, well actually you've only got room for 9 on your counter. So let's see what we've got here. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. You've got 17 pizzas there. So we're going to keep 7 of them on the counter. And the other 10 we're going to turn into a stack. So there's 10 pizzas which we're going to turn into a stack of 10. Okay, so that's sorted out the pizzas. Now let's sort out the stacks. Again, you've only got room for 9 stacks on the shelves behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got 12 there. So again, we can't keep all of those. We'll keep 2. And the other 10, we're going to put in a box in the warehouse. So there's 10 stacks of pizza. 10 tens 100. We're going to turn them into a box of 100. There we go. Okay, let's sort out the boxes now. Again, in your warehouse, you only have room for 9 boxes. You can't have 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You've got 12 again there. So we will keep 2 in the warehouse, and the other 10 we'll put on a truck. 10 boxes go on a truck. 10 tens are 1,000. So turn those 10 boxes into a truck. And I'm pretty sure we're okay there because the car park only holds 9 trucks, of course. After that you have to go and put them on a car transporter, but we're not doing that because I haven't got enough room on here yet. We'll do that in some other videos. Okay, so our final answer is we have got 7,227. Oh, that's nice and symmetrical. Let's do it with the actual numbers and see how that works out again on here. So, adding up the units first, the individual pizzas, we have 4 plus 6 plus 7. 4 and 6 is 10 and another 7 is 17. We put the 7 down, keep the 7 and carry the 1, which is the 10, over to the next column. So carry the 1 over there. Then adding these up, the 2 and the 8 makes a 10 and a 1 and a 1, that makes a 12. Keep the 2 and carry the 1. Then adding these up, 3 and 8 is 11 and 1 is 12. Again, keep the 2, carry the 1. And then adding up 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7,227. So you can have a go at this yourself. Make up some numbers. They don't have to be in the thousands. If you're not so confident with that, just stick with the hundreds. If you are confident, how about expanding to the 10,000s or the 100,000s? Millions if you reckon you can do it. Make yourself up some numbers. This time we're adding up 3 and see how you go on with that. Have fun.